You have my word on it. 50 likes and I get the Vaydor. In New York City, 3 days, I'm gonna record the whole process. What is going on, guys? It's Lewis, aka Automotive Tools, my game peoples, and welcome to Wrenchettes. We're not only working this beautiful G35, but on life as well. But today is gonna be a special day because we're gonna work on two things: the G35 and on life. You know why? Because I'm gonna go get the Vaydor right now. As you guys know, I live in the city. I have an apartment. I have a one-bedroom apartment. I have 3 cars, and I have nowhere to put the Vaydor. I finally have the money. I have 20K in my bank account right now. I was gonna order the body kit, but you know what? Today I was like, that's it. I'm tired of all this BS, man. You can't do nothing in the city. I'm too limited. I'm like this. I feel like restrained, honestly. Like handcuffs. Like I can't do anything. But you know what? I'm tired of all this BS. I'm tired of the New York BS. I'm gonna go down to Florida right now. What time is it? 10:50 in the morning. I think it's 16 hours of driving. I'm gonna get to Florida in the wee hours in the morning. I'm gonna go to a hotel local to Vaydor Body Kits. Tomorrow morning, I'll be the first customer knocking on their door. I'm gonna have this camera that you see me on my head right here. You know, have a head strap, and I'm gonna record their reaction when I'll be their first customer, waiting to get my Vaydor. I hope they have a physical Vaydor body kit wrapped and everything, because I'm gonna bring it back the same day. Now, what do I need from you guys? I need to have 50 likes on this video to get that done. I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna post this video in a few minutes. If I don't get 50 likes by the end of tonight, I'm gonna return back. Why? Because that just shows me that you guys are not interested in me doing something crazy like that. Now, why would I risk so much money and craziness to do this if you guys are not interested? It doesn't make any sense. If you guys want to see it, just give me a like. 50 likes and I stay in Florida. I don't see 50 likes, I come back. I just take it as a quick vacation. You have my word on it. 50 likes and I get the Vaydor. In New York City, 3 days, I'm gonna record the whole process. How about it? I challenge you. 50 likes, let's make it done. Until next time, guys. Actually, until later. 50 likes. And by the way, April Fools. I wish I could do that crap. But I have 2 kids, man. I can't just go crazy, man. But I do want on 50 likes in the video, though. Just saying. I hope you guys enjoyed these April Fools. I wish I could do that, like I said. But yeah, I can't be that crazy in life. Until next time, guys, enjoy this day. I'm pretty sure everybody's gonna have something to April Fool's you. So, till next time, guys, peace in the Middle East.